Here's how to generate an aged balances report in Clio Manage step by step. Begin by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are in the main workspace, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Reports. This opens the reporting area where Clio Manage organizes the available reports by type. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the report cards are visible before moving on. When the Reports section opens, make sure you are on the Reports tab. This matters because some account views can include other tabs or sections, and the report you need will be listed only in the main Reports area. If you are not already there, select the Reports tab and stay on that screen. Next, find the Accounts Receivable Aging Report. Depending on your screen size and the reports available in your account, you may need to scroll a little to locate it. Look for the report card labeled Accounts Receivable Aging, since this is the report used to review outstanding client balances based on how long they have remained unpaid. Once you have located that report card, click Preview. This opens the report setup view where you can define the details before generating the final result. The preview option is useful because it allows you to confirm the filters and output before saving or exporting anything. Now configure the report filters. Set the reporting date first, since that determines the point in time used for the aging calculation. If there are other available options in your version of Clio Manage, review those as well and adjust them as needed for the balances you want to analyze. Take a moment here to confirm that the selected filters match the period and scope you intend to review, because those settings shape the report output. After the filters are in place, generate the report. Clio Manage will build the accounts receivable aging report and display your client's outstanding balances grouped by aging periods. This grouping helps separate more recent balances from older unpaid amounts, so you can review the status of receivables according to age. If the report takes a moment to appear, wait for the full table or summary to load before continuing. With the report on screen, review the information shown. Check the aging periods and the balances listed so you can confirm that the report reflects the date and filters you selected. If you need a copy for reference or for sharing within your process, use the available option to export or save the report. The exact button location may vary slightly depending on your layout, but it will be in the report view after generation. Your accounts receivable aging report is now generated in Clio Manage and ready to review, export, or save.